Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Good, good. I can hear you too. My name's Simone, but you can call me Sim.
Hi, Sam. How's it going?
It's good, thank you. It's bright this morning. I can't complain.
Mm-hmm.
And your name?
Okay. My name is Ahmed, and I am from Iraq.
You're from Iraq. Okay, nice to meet you.
And nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from England. I'm from England, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm living in Ghana right now.
I see. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yeah.
You sound like an American. I don't know why. Like the first time I saw your video profile on Cambly, I thought like you're American, but you put Britain flag.
Yeah, I'm British, very much. Definitely not American.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Yeah, no. So are you just practicing English? Is that one of the things you like to do?
Oh yeah. I just want to speak in English in order not to lose it.
So are there
Have
not a
you?
lot of people speaking English where you are?
Um, oh yeah, nowadays people are crazy about learning English because many of them they want to improve their job, or
Mm,
many of them some of them they want to get a job, but they've been asked about, do you know some English?
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's necessary nowadays.
Okay, good. Well, your
Uh-huh.
English sounds quite good. So how long have you been learning for?
Thank you so much. I have been learning English for the past 4 years here on Cambly. Only on
Ah,
Cambly, yeah.
really? That's amazing. You should do a testimonial, like a testimonial on there for them and let them know it works.
Oh yeah, Cambly has helped me a lot with my English. So a lot of tutors here they say, did you travel to America or any other countries that spoke in English there? I said no, all here. I'm traveling online every day.
Just taking on everybody else's accent from Camberley.
Oh yeah, this is real helpful. You know why? Because it helps me to understand more English, more
Yes.
accents. Yeah.
Yeah. Because
Hmm.
especially like so in England we have so many different accents.
Oh
Um
yeah.
yeah, and like someone from Birmingham, for instance, sounds very different from me. And even I struggle when I'm listening to people from Birmingham. I'm like, what? Or people from Scotland, you know. So it's
Oh yeah. I remember that video that went viral on social media. Like a young man, he was like speaking about like football,
uh-huh.
and I couldn't understand him. Oh my goodness, is that English? You know?
Yeah, yeah.
It was really hard to understand him, but I couldn't like spot his accent. Like, where
Mm,
is he from? From England. I didn't know actually.
yeah. I mean, there's
Mm.
also like, so I'm from London, and in
Hmm.
London, if you're from the East End of London, we
Yeah.
have the accent that's kind of like Cockney, a Cockney
Hmm.
accent as well.
Hmm.
And some of the words we say, I don't know if you've seen it on Instagram. Actually, there's a guy on there who he says when you're learning English, he puts all the words together because the way that we really speak, it sounds like one word, like what you doing instead of what are you doing.
Oh my goodness. So imagine like an English learner want to learn English. So
Exactly.
it's like a nightmare for him.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's so funny. It makes me laugh.
Oh
So
yeah.
what do you do? Are you a student or are you working?
Do I look like a student? Thank you
I
so
mean,
much.
anyone can be a student,
Oh
right?
yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. No, I'm working. I work with technology. I have a computer, a shop for computer services and laptops. I fix them, sell
Okay.
them. I
Hmm.
also work with second-hand laptops.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're good with all the mechanics and like how to fix phones and laptops.
Oh yeah, but I'm not that professional of fixing like the hardware. I'm like,
Oh,
yeah, I'm pretty good at fix like the softwares.
hmm, that makes
Yeah.
sense. Yeah, yeah. Okay. And
And
you
how
haven't.
about you?
Oh, me?
Yeah, only Cambly, or you have another job?
No, yeah. I'm a social worker in England.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And when I was living in Asia, I was a teacher. And when I travel around the world, and I take Cambly with me and just teach online. So yeah.
Yeah. So sometimes you consider Cambly as a full-time job.
Yeah. So at the moment, whilst I'm in Ghana, yes,
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing
Mm-hmm.
Cambly full time. But when I'm back in England, I do social work full time.
Mm-hmm. So what do you do about social working?
Social work. I
Mm-hmm.
safeguard children, basically. Yeah, I work with vulnerable children.
Ah,
Yeah.
I see. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. And do you handle them? Like, are you good at put up with the children?
So it's more about support and making sure that they're safe from harm. So
Yeah,
yeah, because unfortunately, there's a lot of harm that comes to children
yeah, I
via
see.
their parents or family members or the schools or other children. So yeah, it's my job to go in and either remove that child from that situation, work with the family to make sure that they know what they're doing correctly. um yeah,
Uh-huh.
sometimes I have
That's
to go
really
to,
nice.
and yeah, it's quite a lot of work. It's quite it's very demanding.
Mm-hmm. Do you
Mhm.
are you married?
No, not yet.
Mm-hmm.
Not yet.
Okay, so I was going to ask you, do you have children?
No, I don't. I just work with children. That's all. I work with a lot of children, but
Yeah.
yeah. You? Do you have children? Are you married?
Oh yeah, I'm married and I have three children, yeah.
Ah, how old are they?
Um, like I have a teenager girl. She's turning 14 years old, and I
Ah,
have 9 years old son and 6 years old son.
wow. Okay. So
Yeah.
two boys and a girl.
Uh-huh. Yeah. It was really nice having them, at the first years, but as they grow up, oh my goodness, their problems and issues, it's going on, keep going. Oh my goodness.
But do you think it's easier with boys or girls? Which one is easier?
With the girls, because dealing with boys, it's pretty hard.
Really?
Girls, it's, yeah, like my daughter, it's not demanding, not stubborn,
Mm,
unlike my boys. No, they're
yeah.
like so stubborn and demanding, and I don't know, they feel like they're men.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They're
Wow.
still children.